Did you know that? In 75 BC, a 25-year-old Julius Caesar was on a journey to Rhodes to study oratory when his ship was captured by Cilician pirates in the Aegean Sea. Recognizing his importance, the pirates demanded a ransom of 20 talents of silver for his release. Caesar, displaying confidence and disdain, proposed a ransom of 50 talents. During his captivity, Caesar maintained a friendly demeanor with the pirates, engaging in their activities and even reciting poetry and speeches. Despite the apparent friendliness, he made it clear that he would return to punish them once released. True to his word, after the ransom was paid, Caesar raised a fleet, captured the pirates, and had them crucified as he had promised. In the 16th century, a series of events unfolded that became known as the Dancing Plague of 1518. In the town of Strasbourg, France, a woman named Frau Trophia began dancing uncontrollably in the streets. What started as an isolated incident quickly escalated into a mass hysteria, with hundreds of people joining the bizarre dance marathon. This phenomenon continued for weeks, with participants reportedly unable to stop dancing even in the face of exhaustion and injury. The authorities were perplexed, and some speculated that the dancers were suffering from a mysterious ailment or supernatural affliction. To this day, the Dancing Plague of 1518 remains one of the most perplexing and unexplained events in history.
Contrary to the popular myth, Sir Isaac Newton did not have an apple fall on his head, prompting his discovery of gravity. The story likely originated as a simplified anecdote to make Newton's complex ideas more accessible. The true genesis of his groundbreaking insight into gravity was a period of contemplation and observation. Newton was known to have spent time in a garden, observing apples falling from trees. It was during this contemplative moment that he began to formulate his thoughts on the forces of nature. Newton's real achievement lies in his meticulous study, experimentation, and formulation of the laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation, which he later documented in his seminal work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. So, while there was no dramatic apple-on-head incident, Newton's profound thinking revolutionized our understanding of the physical world.